Ellen and I, it was a day in September, were stopped at a stoplight in Carlsbad, first car in line. Ellen had stopped, the light was yellow. There was nobody in front of us. There were school kids coming home on the sidewalk. And we were rear-ended by a large SUV with an estimated impact speed of 50 miles an hour. Ellen was taken to one trauma center by ambulance. I was taken to another trauma center by helicopter. There's about a 3 or 4 hour chunk that I have absolutely no recollection, other than waking up in an ambulance and asking if I was in an accident. Somebody asked me my name, I could tell them my name, and that was it for the day. We sustained substantial injuries and had a fairly long recovery period. With our first interview with Bill, we were convinced that Bill would fully represent our interest. During the interview, Bill spent a lot of time talking about the process and talking about what we could expect. In addition, Bill brought us up to speed on what were going to be some very near-term actions from the opposition, and he gave us direction on how to respond to those. He further made an offer, because he knew we were in the process of selecting an attorney, that if any documents came in that had to be reviewed, he would be happy to review them, no charge, and not to sign anything, and basically offered his services until we had made a decision. At that point, my confidence in Bill, his description of the firm, I really felt this was the right place to go. We received a reasonable settlement that I am convinced we would not have gotten to without Bill's skills and tenacity. The second issue is we participated in the strategy of how to get to that settlement. So there was no question, everybody understood what our expectations were, and everybody understood the limits where Bill thought he could take the case. The third thing, and it's really pretty important, yet ranked third, is we were always kept informed of what was going on. This case did stretch over a length of time. As significant items took place, we would hear from Bill, either a note or a call. We were CC'd on the correspondence. There was no question that everybody was paying attention and this was being pushed forward. Bill and his associates exceeded my expectation. Bill had a passion for our case and a true interest in our welfare. It was clear that Bill was going to handle all of the legal issues and that Ellen and I could concentrate on the healing process from our injuries, and it did take us a while to recover.